Hey everybody, these cookies are really special to me because they are my future sister-in-law's bachelorette cookies. If you haven't figured it out by now, we're going to Nashville, which is full of cowboy boots, hats, disco balls, ribbons, you name it. First up here is the cowboy hat. Nothing more classic than a cowboy hat. This one's fun, it's quick, easy, and all of these designs go with the theme of the Bachelorette. On this particular one, I did mess that up a little bit of the figure eight for the brim of the hat. I did not intend to actually connect it, but I made it work. Sometimes in life, to quote the Friends movie, you just need a pivot. And go with the flow. Next up, we have the cowboy boot. The cowboy boot, I don't know what it is. I struggle with shoes, like in general, all shoes, high heel shoes, all shoes. When I draw them without like a projector or anything like that, they're just the toes. I don't know what it is about the toes. But this one actually in particular turned out really cute, I think. And the fun thing with cowboy boots too is you can design them however you want. This one, again, like I said, I did to mimic the other decorations, but I mean, you could let your imagination soar with these ones. And one trick I did want to talk about that I did a little differently here is you'll notice the silver bag of glazed icing that I'm using. That bag, before I put the icing in it, I actually put silver metallic, edible metallic, like paint in it. It is 100% edible, I promise. And I lined the bag and then I put the icing in, so all of the icing that was coming out had glitter on it. Just in time for the most glittery one of all, the disco ball. At first you might be thinking this looks like a pumpkin. You would be correct because that is how you make a pumpkin too, except the horizontal lines. And then we add in some bling. And last but not least is the ribbon. Now you may be wondering why I did the easiest one last. Who knows? The ribbon one is easy. I honestly contemplated just doing all of them this way because I made 6 dozen of these cookies. So in a very short amount of time. I honestly hope these all drive and arrive a-okay here soon. But yeah, the ribbon one is by far the easiest one to do. Super quick, super easy. I could have done all of these within an hour, honestly, if I did them all like this. But where's the fun in that? Alrighty, let's give these cookies a moment. As always, if you have a comment, leave it down below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave it down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you want to get a notification every time I post a new video, click that bell button. And as always, be super today. Have a good one.